Look, if you had one shot or one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted, one moment, would you capture it or just let it slip?
His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. He's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking how? Everybody's choking now. The clock's run out. Time's up. Over now. Snap back to reality. Yo, there goes gravity. Yo, there goes gravity. Jolt his own habit. He won't give up. That is he know. He won't have it. He knows. He's all back to these ropes. He don't matter. He's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He knows when he goes back to his mold alone. That's when it's back to the lab again. Yo, this whole rhapsody. Better go capture this moment. Hope it don't go. Better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Yeah. The soul's escaping through this soul that escaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move forward. A new world order. A normal life is born. The superstardom's close. So postmortem only goes hard. A homie goes hard and close. It's all over these souls. It's all on them. Coast to coast shows. He's known to dog trotter. Lonely roads got him. He's grown farther from home. He's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. But all you know's cause here goes the cold water. His hoes don't wanna know more. He's cold body and moved on to the next flow. Who flows his own dope, his own nada. So the soap opera is stolen unfold. I suppose his own partner, but the beat goes on. That I don't. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. You better lose yourself in the music. The moment you own it, you better never let it go. You only get one shot. Do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime.
But hell yeah, guys, thank you for being out here with me. That fucking place was dope. Ocean City, Maryland. Come see me.